Hey there, Coach Bell here. So we need to do some more demolition. We have decided that this is going all the way down to the trailer. The walls are coming off. So I'm going to start working on that right there. And we'll probably get it braced up as we start to take the windows out and then take the roof off. So hoping to get that done this weekend. We'll see what happens. All right, it's demo time. This is where we're starting today. So actually took this window out last night, and now we're gonna work on the rest of them today. But there we go. So a lot of caulk and stuff that's gonna need to get scraped off, so we'll get somebody working on that. But I'm gonna be starting out here on the front window. Lots and lots of screws. This window is actually 3 pieces, so we have the center and the 2 side. But that's my goal today, get all the windows off. Trying to get out here nice and early while there's still a cool breeze, because it's gonna be a hot one today. just had to go run and get some wood because we're at a point where we need to start shoring up the inside because we're going to take the roof off. But I just wanted to bring you around and show you what we did. Lights are off. All windows are out. We're starting to take off the other, so I got to take off, you know, like that top part there, take the door off. Getting everything off of the outside, all the lights off, windows out. Woo! I gotta get the door off. I'm working right now down on that section. I just got the screws out, but now I gotta pry it off. I'm gonna take the door off next. And that's where we're at, taking apart the rest of the outside, anything that's attached. We got to be careful taking that rail off up there because that's where the awning goes. And that's where we are now. So they're going to get some wood. We're gonna put some braces on the inside so that as we're taking the roof off, we don't have the walls come tumbling down on us. Making good progress today. All right, we'll go back into Time Warp. So this is where we are ending things today. Didn't quite get as far as I wanted to. Didn't get that roof off, but boy, taking these screws out and all the nails out, pain in the neck. So you can see here, screws are removed. I got the nails out from all the way around here. A couple pieces started to come off. Little pieces, had to label them so we knew where they go back on. Door is off. We have our braces inside to keep things from falling apart right now. That up there is the channel for the awning. Darren worked on that for a while but wasn't able to get some of the screws out. But got that little door off down there. Bunch more screws off back here. So we are getting there. We moved it over into the shade. It is hot today. Woo. Got the vents off that were over here. Still got a long ways to go, but we made some good progress this weekend. I'm happy with how much we got done. All right. And that is it. So Coach Mel signing off with the Bubble Camper headband on. See you next time.